Okwenya Kwaramogi machiegni weche manyien makagi kacha nyinga Milton Ochieng. Dorcas Oduor mogwel kaka Attorney General ma pacho ka owacho ni koyiere to biro neno na pise orido pek mag buche mondo mi piny owacho kik sik kalalo buche e doho. Omedo no biro tiyo kod migepe duto madwarore mar neno ni gin kod bura kata duoko motegno.
That you intend to do should you be approved. One, to make sure that you are able to recruit and retain good state counsel, because the Attorney General Chambers also has become a training ground for counsel. They come there, train for a few years, and they are poached by Parliament, they are poached by ministries and other organizations. What will you do to retain good state counsel so that government doesn't continue losing cases in court?
There are reasons why people lose cases, not only the government. All of us lose cases one time or another for maybe these three reasons. One, it could be that you have a bad case. You will lose it. It could be that you have bad representation or inadequate representation. You could do that. You could also lose a case because the court has erred. In which case, if you feel aggrieved, you will go back to court, either for appeal or revision. You could also lose a case for any other reason. Any other reason? None of the above. So what I would do, if I'm losing a case because I have a bad case, it would be my responsibility as the Attorney General to make sure that before we go to court, I relook at the cases that we have. I try to mitigate the risk of going to court. And if possible, if I have a bad case, try to find other mechanisms of resolving the issue without going to court and incurring expenses to the government. And going forward, I would also say that it will be the responsibility of the Attorney General to advise ministries and MDAs on how they should deal with court matters, such that the Attorney General is involved from the beginning. That is if I have a bad case. If I have inadequate or insufficient representation, I'll look at my capacity and the expertise that I have within the Office of the Attorney General. And this is exactly what we did in the Office of the DPP, because initially we had private counsel assisting us, but with the time, we relooked at the capacities that we have. We have to enhance the capacity of our state counsel, not only legally, but also their working environment and their terms and conditions of service.
Jatend migao mogwele migao mar pinje Afrika ma ugwe oyango ni nyayo tudruok e kind pinjego mar neno ni ohala omedore e Kenya kendo neno ni piny Kenya ok oyudo lal mar ohala. Kamano bende wacho no dhi neno no medo chenro mag puonjo jopiny kendo nywako pacho oganda modak e gwenge ma otuo ma pacho ka mondo mi kik gibed kod paro ni ojwangi. Noloso e kinde manochopo mbele kamati mar od bura mapuodhe.
Because of the EAC common markets, we don't levy duties on products coming from, no taxes are paid on products coming from Tanzania. We also take our products, like you are saying, you take your products to Sudan without paying duty, they bring their products without paying duty. But we need to protect our onion farmer in Loitoktok and in Kieni. And why we have failed as a country is because we don't negotiate properly at the EAC Council of Ministers to protect our farmers. Because it's possible to exempt and say, for this particular product, our country is disadvantaged and we need to levy duty so that what is coming from Tanzania becomes more expensive to protect our local farmers. It is that, what I wanted to know is, what would you do now to negotiate better? Do you have the appropriate negotiation skills to go and negotiate for Kenya?
Through the Speaker, I will make sure the partners, my equals in those countries, are able to agree. We can share the report because I know we are beginning from somewhere. We are not starting from a plain ground. Actually, we will have the concept of what may have happened, and then we discuss based on that to do give and take so that our own customers, because of course when a product comes cheap, it is good to their customers, but bad to the producer who is doing the same locally. So what we need to do is, we need a situation where the producer does not take advantage of the consumer, and the consumer as well do not suffer, but again are able to accommodate and get these products at a price of give and take. And for Kenya, definitely being a Kenyan representative at that time, if that time come to pass, then it will be my role to get into the trade, negotiate with those people, agree, of course, as consulting also with our own farmers on something that we will put on the table as they put theirs. So we agree finally on what the policy that would govern that free trade without disadvantaging any part of the country.
As somebody who has lived in Asol area, and you know very well that people in that area, as the Deputy Speaker has asked, have suffered for many years. And most of the time they complain that they don't get any help from government. But today you have been nominated from an Asol area to deal with those issues that affect those people who come from Asol area and from regions that feel marginalized in this country, despite devolution being in place and counties being in place that money is devolved. What different are you going to do if you are approved by this committee to help those people who live in the Asol areas?
I tend to believe I have what it takes through my own personal experience and through what I was seeing people do in that area. Pastoralists are good people. Pastoralists, if you recognize, if they are made to understand things and then you are there to explain. Pastoralists are good people. They can adopt new initiatives when sensitized. If created an awareness, they can implement things that would be implemented elsewhere. So what by me being there, I'll make sure they're involved in all these things that would improve their lives. Actually, I will be speaking from a point of information on what has been going on. As a pastoralist, I will be better placed to use my experience and my upbringing to make sure these communities actually get what they deserve without being traumatized the way they used to be. You know, I mean, the information that is in circulation has never favored them.
Jokanyo mag ODM e kaunti ma Busia dwaro mondo lemo mane Wycliffe Oparanya omako e duond buch ODM mondo mi gavana ma Busia Paul Otuoma. Giseo jokanyo mawuok e kaunti ma Kisii mago debe ne gavana Simba Arati mondo mak lemono ka giwacho ni komno onego dog e gwenge ma Oparanya wuokie, kendo gimedo ni gwenge ma Nyanza oseyudo lemo moromo e tend ODM.
Ni mengi na muda ni mchache.
Machungwa pia ni mengi kwa at least we say something. Kuna mtu mmoja mmoja mwenye ako na jambo aseme tu. Ngoja tusetie pesa.
Hapa nyuma yangu ni wanachama wa ODM. Party leader vile anavyosema kwamba bedroom yake ni ODM na ni Busia. Angeweza kupatia ambao kiongozi wetu ambao gavana tuko naye ambaye tunampenda Paul Nyongesa Otuoma nafasi ya kusimamia nafasi ile ambayo imeachwa wazi na Wycliffe Oparanya ambaye alikuwa deputy party leader. Na tumesikia habari kutoka watu wa Kakamega wamekuwa ameshatusupport. Watu wa Vihiga wametusupport.
Tunavyojua anayestahili kurithi Ambecha Oparanya ni Daktari Paul Nyongesa Otuoma. So sisi watu wa Busia, watu wa Bungoma, watu wa wapi, we are not just looking for a position. We are out to work for this party tirelessly with a lot of effort to ensure that we unite the party.
Busia ndio bedroom yake na atupatie hiyo kiti ya deputy party leader. Kwa sababu ule mtu ambaye anaweza chukua hiyo kiti vile mimi nimeona ni Dr. Paul Nyongesa Otuoma na ni mtu ambaye anaweza unganisha hii nchi pamoja.
Na wale watu ambao wana tashwishi kidogo kwamba kidogo hapa na pale panamshike kwamba maybe opposition imeenda weak. There is nothing like opposition kwenda weak. In fact sisi wana ODM tuko imara.
Ten County ma Busia ukwayo jodak makono mondo bed katimo nonro mathieth e kinde ka kinde mar konyo fwenyo landruok mar tuo mar monkeypox e kaunti no. Koloso e kar thieth ma Akiriama City e boma ma Busia, jalup gavana Arthur Odera olero ni kaunti no medo timo nonro e tong'ne kod piny Uganda kaka achiel kuom yore mag ikruok makare ne gayo landruok mar tuo no. Odera wacho ni telo margi osekonyo e kedo kod midhiero mayudore e sekta mar thieth kaka kedo gi tiegruok mag keto yedhe osiptande ka achiel kod keto alwora makare mar thieth.
Serikali kuu ilipeana alert ya monkeypox. Tunafanya surveillance yetu kila siku kupitia kwa ports zetu 2 za Malaba na Busia, kupitia kwa timu ambayo inazunguka kila pahali ikitafuta dalili yoyote, kuhakikisha kwamba kama kuna dalili yoyote mahali popote, tunashirikiana na serikali kuu, tunashirikiana na idara zetu zote kuhakikisha kwamba hiyo ugonjwa ya monkeypox isije ikaenea hapa. Lakini kufikia sasa hatujaona incident yoyote.
Revolving ward pharmacy, ili wananchi waweze kupata hizi dawa kwa bei nafuu, na pia ikiambatana na facility FIF, Facility Implementation Fund. Yes. So tumesema kwamba ndani ya sheria ambayo tumeunda, tunataka kuona kwamba hizi zahanati zetu kuanzia level 3, level 4, yeah, wanaweza kupeana huduma kwa malipo ya chini kidogo.
Migao mathieth e kaunti ma Siaya oketo winjruok kod kambi moro ma ji giwegi mar konyo choko kendo kano nonro mag thieth. Jatend migao mathieth e kaunti no Martin Konyango owacho ni maeri dhi konyo e bero chenro mag thieth e alworano. Konyango nomedo ni kambi mar Metronic Lab dhi konyo e kawo nonro mag tuoche ma ok landre kaka mano ma sukari kod remo e kind mamoko. Tuochegi oyango ni omako ata malo 40 mag thoe matimore e kaunti ma Siaya. Bende okwayo jodak ma Siaya ahinya to jogo ma hikgi oniang' mathothne bedo kod tuochego ni kik dong' oko e nonro ma gichoko mabiro konyo e chwalo negi thieth kod kony.
Program mwakelo Siaya kani en program ma otarget counties 35. Ei counties 35 gi wan ki county kaka Siaya bende yie kuno, cha wan Vihiga, ni wan Kisii gi Kericho, wan Nakuru, wan Meru, wan pinje mopogore opogore. Koro sani wan Siaya kani cha wasentono wadonjo dwe mar ariyo. Dwe mar ariyo kanyo ne watimo assessment mondo wang'e ni situation my facilities chalo nade. Koro ne wang'iyo situation my facilities chalo nade mondo wang'e kaka wanyalo kaka kampuni wanyalo ng'iyo area wadonje in terms of kelo neno jotuo e yor computer.
What this occasion means, the end result is improved data collection for a big bulk of the diseases ailing our society, and this data collection, which is more accurate, will greatly improve overall health services to NCD group of diseases. We'll have the correct picture and therefore deploy funds, human resource accordingly, so that in the end quality of service increases.
Riwruok mochung' ne dongruok mar mine midendo ni maendeleo ya wanawake e kaunti ma Mombasa okwayo kamati mar od bura mochung' ne puodho jotend migepe mondo chiw thuolo machielo ne Stella Soi manowale migao mar kit chwech. Kane giloso Mombasa, giko ni en midhiero ni e kind jotend migepe 20 manche nowal, Stella kende emane kamati norem puodho, kara kobedo ni jatend piny nowale ka en gi geno nonyalo tayo tend migao no. Giko ni okang' ma kamano bende mageto nego chuny mine mani kod riyo matelo, omiyo giramo ni mine bende nyaka chiwnegi thuolo to chutho ni mar kwan mar mine manie tend migepe ni piny kipimo gi jowetegi machuo.
Sisi tunavyosema yule mama apewe another chance. Leo kuna wale ambao wanafanyiwa interview. Hata yeye angeingizwa kwenye hiyo list na yeye akaenda akafanyiwa interview tena. Sisi tuliona kuna wakati Malonza, wakati wa Uhuru Kenyatta, alifanya the same thing na aliregeshwa tena na aliperform. Na wengi tu. Ama hii Kenya yetu inataka mama ambaye anaongea bila vitendo? Kwa sababu unaweza kuwa wewe si mwongeaji, lakini ikawa wewe ni mchapakazi. Mama Stella amewahi kuwa paka DC. Kwa hivyo hiyo inaonyesha wazi kuwa anafanya kazi na community vizuri.
Through ile nino zake alizitoa, I'm sure she's experienced and she can deliver. Mimi nasema wengi walikuwa pale, walifanywa interview wengine mbeleni na hawakuwa na experience kama huyu mama yake aliyosema, na wamechukuliwa. Kwa hivyo sisi kama wanawake tunajitolea na sauti moja, tunasema huyu mama apawe chance tena.
Naona kwa sasa hawezi hata kutembea na ana uso. Rais, na kuomba turudishie yule mama uso. Maka kila kitembea anaona kama watu watasema ni yule mama ambaye alikosa ile nafasi. Mimi nina imani Mama Stella Soi anaweza katenda.
Jodak makumolo sublocation e North Alego dwaro ni piny owacho ger kar tiegruok e lo mosebedo koling ok tii godo kuom higni buora. Jakom Komolo Development Forum Philip Achayo wacho ni lobno maromo eka 12 pok otii godo ne dongruok moro amora kuom higni 40. Gimedo ni sama imedo Siaya Institute obed National Polytechnic gin bende opargi kod kar tiegruok matije lwedo. Bende gimedo ni lobno gi sani en kama jonjore ponde gino mahinyo arita kwe e alworano.
Jogweng nenu bet piny kuwuoyo to gi chunygi oneno ni kae oger ngie college madiere midhok sungu luongo ni TVET. To gineno TVET ni biro konyogi iyo machielo biro miyo nyithindgi puonjruok. Wang'eyo ni area ma wanetieni boda osebedo mang'eny to ji opong'e to nyithindo onge kod skills. Koro nyithindwa gi kobiro ka bodo puonj tiegruok to gibiro yudo tijegi, gibiro loso tijegi giwegi. Ok nyithindo kende kata joma dongo ma pod chunygi gombo mondo som.
Gik wa ikwalo idonjogo kae. Onge kaka didonj bidi dwar. Nwach en bungu motwere. Omiyo kwan ka maendeleo dubed kato dwa bedo mamor. Kata kwa pidho rabuondwa ka maendeleo nitie, wanyalo yudo pesa. Moloyo mondo wayud shida kae.
En na county government ma pod ok wadonje, to be wadhi donje. Wase rwako kata tero kwayowa. Gima wadwaro ni MP Malego Usonga, Muluor Samuel Atandi, ofise pod ok odwokowa, lakini kata kamano wageno ni machiegni obiro dwokowa, kobiro konyowa mondo bunguni kik med bedo nono.
Migawo mar alwora ochako ayanga dongruok mar ber alwora motis ni National Biodiversity Coordination Mechanism ma iriyo tenore kod lek mar higa 2030 e neno ni alwora ma piny ka odongore kendo ler. Dongruok ni oting'o tieko midhiero makelo kethruok mar alwora kod chal mar kor lwasi, kelo kanyakla oganda kendo tieko ywaruok mosebedo e kind le bunge kod jopiny kod neno ni bunge kod alwora ma jopiny odakie oriti makare. Kanoloso e nyasi ma chako dongruok no ayanga, jagoro e bad migawo mar alwora Festus Ng'eno oyango ni omor kod okang' makamano mowacho ni maeri en okang' mabiro konyo piny Kenya kendo biro konyo e hikruok romo mar piny mangima e wi ber mar alwora mar COP e piny mar Colombia.
Depends on the commitment and collaboration of the stakeholders. Together with our partners, we can ensure that Kenya's biodiversity is not only conserved but also thrives, supporting our nation's prosperity and well-being of our generations to come. As a ministry, we look forward to working with all of you towards the success of the coordinating mechanisms. And to add to here is that Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry and the Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife will be co-leading this process.
Issues to do with pollution of our ecosystems is indeed the reason why today I think having this kind of mechanism where all of us are actually being brought together so that we can actually understand and focus on how we can actually deal with all these threats that are actually affecting our ecosystem, and in particular matters to do with wildlife, biodiversity, matters to do with agro biodiversity, and many others.
E weche mag tuke ni jang'wech ma Kenya Faith Kipyegon ochopo e final mar mita 1500 e tuke